All right. We are on 2.6 rate, time, and distance problems. Remember, rate times time equals distance. So an executive travels 1,930 miles by car and plane. He drove to the airport at an average speed of 60 miles per hour, and the plane averaged 350 miles per hour. The total trip took 8 hours. How long did it take him to get to the airport? So take a second, write that down, and then we need to set up our table. Across the top, we want rate times time equals distance. And thinking about our picture, he's driving to the airport. Okay, he's driving to the airport, and then once he gets to the airport, he's going to take a plane the rest of the way. So we're going to add our two distances. There's that plane. Okay. So we have by car. Oh. And then by plane. And we know the rate there was 60 miles per hour. On all the plane was 350. And the total distance for the two together was 1,930. Now, my time, I know that the total time was 8 hours. So however long it took me for him to drive the car to the airport, we have to take that away from the total, and that's how long he was on the plane. Okay. There we go. So remember, the distance he went in the car is his rate times his time. So that's 60t. Then we have to add to it his rate times his time on the plane to equal the total distance, which is 1,930 miles. Start by distributing. And we'll get 60t plus 2,800 minus 350t equals 1,930. Then we can combine our like terms, which gives us negative 290t plus 2,800 equals 1,930. Subtract 2,800 from both sides. And we get negative 290t equals negative 870. And we're going to divide both sides. And we'll get t equals 3. Okay, and the question asks us how long it took him to get to the airport. So by car, t equals 3, so it took 3 hours. If it had asked us how long he was on the plane, we would have had to take it, plug it back in here, and subtract it from 8. And that's it. We're done with that one. So make sure you get that copied in your notes, and your job is to try this problem. Two friends leave school at the same time, traveling in opposite directions. They travel for 4 hours and are 480 miles apart. If Susan travels 10 miles per hour faster than Joanne, find the average rate of speed of each person. So remember, you're starting and going in opposite directions. So there's your picture. And you need to set up your table. Rate times time equals distance. Give it a shot. Let me know if you need any help.